carrying on with the Eaglemoss Fanhome Build Enterprise D Magazine 21 part bag number 80. Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here. We're in the continuation of the Enterprise D build. This time it's still Magazine 21, but we have part kit number 80, which looks like it's got another edge part there, light block for probably this part here, some lifeboats, some screws, and the back. This will finish the back. Or will it? Is that way around? That way around? I'm not sure it will actually, to be honest, looking at the actual ship, but more the back from the secondary hull, so we're covering both saucer and secondary hull. So what I need to do is get these out of the bags, get these cut off the screws, put into the part box over here, and then we can continue with the build. So, stage 90 parts, we have here, it's showing us the battle section mid panel, another panel for the saucer, lifeboats, screws, another one of these, so this part here will be putting the lifeboats on the front, and then that will be pushed into place. Spoilers for 81. So we go from last episode to 80. So here we go. Take the deck panel, L3-13, which is this one, that way around. Put in the lifeboats, which we've got tons of. Make sure they're the right way around, because you can get these upside down. Like, is it that way around? That is upside down. So just push them through, push them back the other way around, in they go. And when we've done that, we put this panel behind it with 2 AM screws, and then we get this part again. So this is basically exactly the same as last time, putting this part in here to finish off the edge of, of the saucer section. So quite a repetitive build. If you've watched my videos before, then yes, it will all come into place on its own eventually, but not just yet. Just basically put them all in place, easy enough to do. Then you'll obviously turn around, make sure they're all the right way around, measure it to your model, and make sure they are properly the right way around, otherwise you're just going to cock this up. So another 4 in place. Oh, come on, I need the tweezers for this. I'm getting 1 here at a time. 1 and 1 and 1. Oh no, I need another one. Oh no, I need to get another one. As I thought we had 5 of each. Oh, we have got a 5 and a 5. Cool. So I need that part here, and put it in that way around. The numbers up. Yeah, because we've got to cut out on there, if you can see right there, over the top of everything. Holds everything in place. Nice little squeeze to make sure they're in place. Make sure they're the right way around, which they are. And then I'm going to put 2 screws in there, and I'm going to put this on the front here, like, it's not like that, it's like that. So you've got a small hole on there, goes like that. So all I need to do is put 2 screws into this part, 2 screws on this, and that panel will be ready. So panel done, front part on there as well. The sensor emitter on there and some windows, we'll never be able to light them. Actually, we could probably drill out from the back, but no. It's not possible, though, what they thought. So again, with this, I need to try and thread this part here underneath the part we did last time, and try and get this little part in there, but also lip it round the edge of here. So you're 3 ways trying to push it in, and that's not right. Definitely not right. So that part needs pushing down as I'm doing it. Is that in? That can't be right. No, that really can't be right. The screw holes are actually in the right place. That's wrong. That's really wrong. See, a lot of this is trial, error, and patience. There we go. There we go. Right, hold it in place, try and get a screw ready, because I've got them already there. And I don't care which one I put in first, I just need one to go in. Hold, hold, hold. There you go, a little bit of tension and it shows there. In, 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 in. See, that feels like it could go a little bit more, but if you do it too far and you strip the because it's obviously a screw's going into the hole for the metal and make its own little thread on its way down. If you do it too much, a little dab of super glue in there, or just don't be too impatient. Right, so that was trial and error and it worked. The lifeboat with the tabs on the bottom, put it in the right way around. Come on. They're a little tight, them. They will be really difficult to get out again. But all done. That panel's nicely done. On to the next part. Okay. Yeah, disappointingly, we got this back part ready, but 81 comes into play. So yeah, that's the end of 80. Sometimes we have these of a really quick part, so it's just basically stage 80 is building that panel which goes there, which makes all of this front part done. Do disappoint. I do not know how they're going to do the numbers on that. I wish they'd already pre-done them like they're doing everything else. But yeah, it's just that one panel in, and it went and clicked into place. So that's end of 80. So, okay, fine. As I'm doing the part bags, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on social media. Consider being a Patreon to help me out with the channel. Consider a donation if you'd like. And I will see you in another video. Bye for now.